Smart Water Flow Meter. Screen backlight. 180 degrees adaptive screen orientation. 360-degree rotatable pure brass inlet. 3/4 NH pure brass outlet thread. LCD display. Button control. Waterproof battery compartment. Battery installation. Note: when installing 2X AAA alkaline batteries, please keep your hands dry. Device pairing. Step 1. Download and install the Smart Life app. Log in or create your account. Step 2. If the device has not been connected yet, the LCD of the pair mode will display uncon and the signal not connected icon flashes. If the device has already been connected, the LCD of the pair mode will display the current time. Long press the button until the display turns to uncon. Step 3. Click plus and add device through Smart Life app. Pair the Restmo BT water flow meter. Step 4. Plug the hub to a USB-A adapter which close to your router. Long press the pair button to activate the hub pairing mode. Step 5. Open Smart Life app, click plus button, select Add Device. Click the hub icon and follow the app instructions to complete pairing. App control. Choose the flow unit option to select US gallon or liter. Choose the backlight setting option to set specific times for the backlight to turn on and off. Choose rotate setting. Up mode, select up to keep the screen always upright regardless of the device's orientation. Down mode. Select down to keep the screen always inverted. Auto mode, select auto to enable adaptive mode, where the screen automatically adjusts its orientation based on the device's position. Choose the time format option to set 12 hours or 24 hours. 4 measure modes. First, all standard hoses and faucets. Flow mode. Flow mode displays the real-time water flow rate. Long press the button to switch measurement units from gallon to liter. Note: if the water flow rate is higher than the 11 GPM, it will display HH or HH. Daily mode. Total mode displays the total water consumption. Long press the button to reset. Total mode. Total mode displays the total water consumption. Long press the button to reset. Note: total mode will never reset until you manually reset it. The data will be recorded even you change the battery. Consumption mode. Consumption mode displays the last time water consumption. Long press the button to reset. Note: consumption mode counts the last time water usage and always resets to 0 automatically after water flow stops more than 1 minute.